Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we'll be talking about the ongoing forecast for tomorrow's solar eclipse and talk about some stormy conditions that might be possible on Tuesday. So we're going to start off with what everyone is talking about, and that is the solar eclipse. So we're going to move on to the HER model here. Now this is cloud cover percentage. We'll also be looking at the short range ensembles and see where most models agree. So let's go throughout the day here. Here is our path of totality. Right now, during the morning hours, there will be looks to be cloudy skies for a good portion of the totality area. But don't get too upset because it looks like sometime during the day, especially it seems like around. So it seems like a lot of the totality area will be cloudy, but there looks to be an exception just south of Michigan and looks to be northwestern Ohio. So we'll be zooming in on those areas specifically. We also have another possible type of condition that will be messing with the weather that day, and that is the potential for severe thunderstorms around the Texas area. The path of totality will be throughout these areas right here, and as you can see, a good portion of Texas is under that severe thunderstorm risk. So we'll be that's another thing to look out for eclipse watchers over there. And that's for the whole United States. Let's zoom in on what areas I think will be best. Don't know why I looked at Canada. We can look at the cloud cover mean. So I think these areas here will be the best chances of seeing less cloud cover. And if I go toward the afternoon around 2 p.m., as you can see, looks to be a good portion of clearing. And if you're wondering, the blue is clouds and the white is clear skies. So if I go to around 2 p.m. when it's expected to strike, 23% chance of clouds over Bowling Green, Toledo. All these areas here seem to be in the best shot. And that seems to decrease even more as you go throughout that portion of the day. So that's a good sign. We could take a look at Indiana as well. So Illinois and Indiana. Let's see, around 4 p.m. 1 to 4 p.m. I think is, I believe, your time frame. Looks like there's some chance of cloud cover. Just it looks to be to the southeast of Indianapolis. I hope I pronounced that right. Yeah, so I think your best chances might possibly be these areas right on the edge over here. If you want to see the solar eclipse, if I have to be honest with you. And that's just how it is, I guess. That's if that cloud cover breaks during the morning from some rain showers overnight. So that's my forecast for the eclipse. So let's kind of just go out into here. So I'll go to 21Z. I think the best chances for cloud cover, it looks like there is some signs of cloud cover breaking in Arkansas as well, but I'm leaning more toward these areas, but it is very possible that areas in Arkansas could also lose that cloud cover, and I believe they will, but my audience is more southeastern Michigan, and if you're traveling south, I believe your best areas will be around these areas here. So we'll go to 21Z time frame. So yeah, these areas look like your best shot to see less clouds, in my opinion. The red line is where totality is, by the way. I should have mentioned that first. And let's move on to the second half of the video. The storm potential. So this is, if you're wondering what this is like, basically, these colors mean more severe storm potential and the chance of it. So if I zoom in onto Tuesday, as you can see, there's a good chance of some severe weather possible over a good portion of this region in this area. And the temperatures that day are also going to be soaring, possibly to 74 degrees. And if I look at I'm trying to wait a couple more days before we actually look at the radar. Right now, it looks like there might possibly be some dry air above us to really help keep the atmosphere at its low. But this run, I don't think is true. It keeps it a lot colder. And then if I look at the HER, it keeps, like, if you're wondering, there you go, 71 degrees. This is by 2 p.m. I mean, look at that. That's 70s, and we're not even at the climax. If I look at the dew points, as you can see, this model has it a lot drier. And if I look at the NAM 3K, it has it a lot wetter. But the problem is, here, let me look at a sounding on here and kind of explain what my concern is. So we have all the storm juice down here, good humidity. The problem is what's going on right above the surface. So this model is showing a lot of dry air, but we gotta wait till we get a lot closer to the day. So I'll make a second video tomorrow, indicating what might be possible that day. But I think a chance of thunderstorms is all we gotta worry about on Tuesday. And just while we're here, we can look at the latest longer range models for temperatures because it's been colder. So I know there's a lot of people icking for warmer temperatures out there. So there are our temperatures. You can see the time frame and day at the top of the screen. Top left. I know you gotta see it. You can't miss it. It's right here. So as you can see, it looks like we have warmer temperatures in our forecast in the future. So that is good news. We have spring on the way, and I hope to make more videos sooner. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.